Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will walk through how to create a journal entry in Zoho Books. Journal entries help us record adjustment rules, application deprecations, and other transactions that may not be captured through regular sales or expense entries. Let's get started. On Zoho Books, we go to the Accountant section. You can see Accountant on the left side of your page. Click on this. A drop-down will appear, and we go to Manual Journals. Here, we can either create a journal or import a journal. Since we are creating a new journal, let's choose Create. Once we are here, we can enter a reference code or number. For example, we can use a sample reference number. Next, we select an account. Choose an account such as tax, BT, cash, or accounts receivable. Enter a clear description for the transaction. If needed, we add a contact from the list of contacts. Then we select the transaction type, either sales or purchases. Choose the appropriate box. We can also add a text note here. In this section, we put the event details. For example, make sure the debit and credit amounts are equal so there is no difference. Once we click Save, we are redirected to the new journal entry. Here is the preview of the journal. We can edit it if needed. We can take action on this entry, such as deleting, publishing, or clicking Template, clone, or delete. We can also print as PDF. If we need to, we can edit it again. And that's how we create a journal entry in Zoho Books. Always review debits and credits carefully before saving to keep your books balanced and accurate.